everyone. This is part 3 of Basics of C Programming. In this video, we are going to discuss operators and types of operators. So let's get started. So firstly, let's understand what is operator. It is a symbol which operates one or more value or variables. Then types of operators are arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, increment and decrement operator, then assignment operator, bitwise operator, conditional operator, and last one is the special operator. So firstly, let's start with arithmetic operator. So it is a symbol used to perform mathematical operations on operands. This includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and mod. After that, second is relational operator. It checks relation between two operands. So, in relational operator, first one is the less than. This returns true if first number is smaller than second one, otherwise return false. Second is greater than. This return true if first number is greater than second one, otherwise return false. Third is less than or equal to. This return true if first number is less than or equal to second one, otherwise return false. Next is greater than equal to. This return true if first number is greater than or equal to second one, otherwise return false. Next is equal to. This returns true if both values are equal, otherwise return false. After that, not equal to. This return true if both are not equal, otherwise return false. Then our third type of the operator is logical operator. It is used to check the conditions. So first one is our logical AND. If all condition gets satisfied, then condition becomes true. Then second is logical OR. If either of condition gets satisfied, then condition becomes true. And last one is the logical NOT. If condition is true, then it will show false. That means vice versa. Fourth one is increment and decrement operator. So firstly, let's understand increment operator. It increases value of variable by 1. This increment operator is divided into two types, pre-increment operator and post-increment operator. So firstly, let's understand pre-increment operator. When we use this operator, value of variable first increase by 1 and then variable is used inside the expression. After that, next is post-increment operator. When we use this operator, value of variable is used inside the expression with original value and then increased by 1. Second one is the decrement operator. It decreases value of variable by 1. It is also divided into two types, pre-decrement and post-decrement. So firstly, let's understand pre-decrement. When we use this operator, value of variable first decreases by 1 and then use inside the expression, and in post-decrement operator, firstly we use value of variable inside the expression and then we decrease it by 1. Next is assignment operator. These are used to assign the value of variable. So first one is equal to. It assigns right hand side value to left hand side variable. Second one is the plus equal to. It adds both side value and store result in left side. Third one is the minus equal to. It subtract RHS value from LHS store result in left side value. Then next is the multiply equal to. It multiply RHS value with LHS value and store result in LHS variable. Next is divide equal to. It divide LHS variable with RHS variable and store result in LHS variable. Next is mod equal to. It divide LHS variable with RHS variable and store remainder into LHS variable. After that, next is bitwise operator. It works on bits and perform bit by bit operations. The operators are given below. Next is conditional operator. So it return one value if condition is true and return another value if condition is false. This conditional operator is also called as ternary operator as it performs operation on three operands. Then syntax of conditional operator is given below. This is our last operator, that is special operator. So first one is the size of. It is used to find size of memory allocated for a variable. Second one is the pointer operator. It is used to define pointer variable. Third is the comma operator. It is used to separate variables. And next is the dot operator. It is used to access member of structure and union. In that way, we discussed about the operators. Thank you for watching the video.